Hi guys, what is going on today? So today we got a update. We moved bases. We knew we were gonna do it. That's why we didn't really care too much about it. This is gonna be our permanent base, or at least until someone is able to raid it. I'm gonna wait to give you guys a full base tour until it is completely finished and all the walls and everything is completed because we just started. And this is how we're making money at this new base at the moment. You get about 41,000 per full inventory of sugarcane, and you can get about 3 to 4 inventories off of this. So I mean, it'll do us good until we until we can work our way up to Iron Golem, and then from there we can continue progressing. So I have a couple of videos of me PvPing the people who were trying to raid our last base. I'm gonna cut to those real quick, and then we can get started with the rest of the video. Alright guys, so there's the PvP, nothing real special. They like to talk a little bit of trash afterwards, it's all fun and games, just factions, just whatever. They didn't want to 1v1 though, obviously you could tell, so I guess we can see one. But so this will be the end of the video. Pretty short video today. I like to keep them pretty short, don't want to take up too much of you guys' time, but I do want to remind you guys that at 50 subscribers we will have a giveaway of all the kits on this server, every rank that there is. You can have each one. And yeah, so just get me up to 50 subscribers and I will help you guys out. Thank you.